This here under 5 Plus is in dire need of repairs, and I figured since all the new Star Wars movies suck and everybody's talking about Greenland, now's as good a time as any to get this bad boy cleaned up and see if I can get it working. As you can see here, she's a dirty girl. So I just kind of started by taking it all apart and just kind of getting her all cleaned up. Got the control box pulled out of there. Gonna get that wiring cleaned up and looking good. So I'm gonna take a little peek inside this box here, and ooh, that's a Noctua fan. I hear a lot of good things. Fortunately, it's only 12 volts, but that's okay. Gotta get a loom on all these things. But there it is. Got them all snug in their loom, and now I just gotta route them. That's okay, I don't mind routing wires. So now I'm pulling the old PET G direct drive mount off of there. Gonna replace it with an ABS unit. And I got it. Oh. So yeah, I think ABS is gonna last me a lot longer, and I think the black will look good. Oh, looks like I'm cutting the shaft off of the motor there. That's good. That's gonna be in preparation for this stealthyswiss. I really like the look of this shroud, and had to modify the bracket. See here, that's the original. This is the one that I whipped up. I think that looks real nice. Yeah. Here you can see the original bracket just doesn't quite fit. But that's okay. This one worked out pretty good. Is it off center by a degree? Well, yeah. But I don't mind. I think it looks really nice. Yeah, it looks real nice. There it is. So, here's a night lapse of it printing off a ghost from the Pac-Man series. I still can't decide if it looks cool. Tell me what you think. So I am working on a real video for the Under 5 Plus, and it'll be coming out here shortly. But I figured, I don't know,